Hello, my name is Theodore Harris, Senior Instructor here at US Aviation Academy, and we're going to talk about some of the tools you need as an aircraft mechanic in your arsenal. First up will be ratchet and socket combination. So there are lots of bolts on an aircraft, and in order to install them, one of the uses we have is a socket and ratchet. In order to safely and more securely tighten a nut and bolt, we'll use a torque wrench. Every nut and bolt on an aircraft has a specified torque value, and we use this tool to meet that requirement. In an effort to reinforce and secure a nut and bolt, we'll use safety wire and safety wire pliers. These make sure that under vibration, they don't come loose. If we ever need to remove safety wire, we'll use a combination of pliers, like this one. This is called a diagonal cutter. They cut safety wire. Aircraft mechanics are required to do many inspections, and some of the tools we use to do our inspections is a mirror. This one here is a 1.5-inch mirror with a telescopic mechanism so that we can reach places our eyes can't get to. We also have picks to go along with that. These help us remove O-rings, remove cotter pins, remove debris in very small, tight spots. Another tool we use for inspection is a flashlight. These flashlights help us see in dark, tight spots because mechanics are going to be in areas where natural light is not really available. Screwdrivers are one of the tools that you're going to use the most. They come in Phillips, usually, and flathead. This one here is a flathead. Aircraft have lots of electronic and avionics equipment. And one of the tools we use to help troubleshoot that system is a multimeter. It helps us find continuity and check for resistance. The most important tool that a mechanic will ever have is an aircraft maintenance manual. It gives description and operation of all systems, troubleshooting. It also gives us the best possible way to remove and install and operate all of our systems and components. These are just some of the many tools that you're going to be using on a daily basis. Knowing how to use these tools properly will ensure your success as an A&P mechanic. If you're passionate about aviation or airplanes in general, visit us at usaviationacademy.com to see if you can find the right aviation career for you.